Okay, so this is the same check of the AC balance, potentiometer, resistance as I sweep it across. So right now it's in the fully counterclockwise position, reading 13.8 kilo ohms. And as I sweep it clockwise, it's increasing up. It's about 30 kilo ohms and then starts dropping down, and it's nice and smooth and goes all the way down to 0. Going back counterclockwise, increasing up to about 30, and it's in the, not sure how many degrees I've turned it, but at some point it hits 30 kilo ohms, and then as I continue to sweep it, it starts dropping down. Not sure if that's the way it's supposed to be, but nonetheless it is very smooth, very consistent as I sweep it back and forth. So I think that confirms that I had a bad control board, and that would explain all the problems I've had with my AC balance.